Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can change your email ID, your password in Vidnoz AI. So let's get started. So first of all you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in you need to click on your profile icon at the left side of the top, and you need to select your profile at the you can select drop down menu. You need to select account settings, okay? And once you click on account settings, it will pop up a new window like this one, okay? And on this window you will see there is an option like upgrade, and there is a three dots. You need to click on three dots like more option. Once you select this option, it will show you these three options like sign out, change email address, change your password. So you can change your password and you can change your email address as well. So by using this method you can easily change your email address and your password on Vidnoz AI. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.